A good example is the signature TP-Link, which extends its catalog with another router Mi-Fi. This is the TP-Link Mi-Fi M7200, a bet on the Mi-Fi routers at a time when mobile connections with increasingly powerful rates devour everything in their path. A router that accompanies the TP-Link M7450, a Mi-Fi router that we saw in its day. The TP-Link Mi-Fi M7200 has a compact and lightweight design, because it is the ultimate premise of this type of products in which ease of transport and use is sought. It is intended that we can carry them in our pocket to be able to combine it with our PC or compatible device at all times. The TP-Link Mi-Fi M7200 offers support for 4G FDD/TDD-LTE networks, so the speed in the connection is guaranteed to little that we have good coverage. This Mi-Fi router can be controlled in a basic way with the button and the screen indicators, but in order to manage it we must use the tpMiFi app. Regarding autonomy, another of the basic aspects in this type of products, the TP-Link Mi-Fi M7200 integrates a 2000 mAh battery that according to the manufacturer offers up to 8 hours of wireless connectivity. In case of running out of battery, we can always connect it to the electrical outlet,